Imagine yourself in the Chevrolet 2018 Trax LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are seats front bucket with driver power lumbar, STD, audio system Chevrolet Malink radio with 7 inches diagonal color touchscreen AM/FM stereo voice pass-through technology includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and select phones, featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability for compatible phone, STD, jet black cloth seat trim, transmission 6-speed automatic, STD, Sandy Ridge metallic, axle 3.53 final drive ratio, engine Ecotec turbo 1.4L variable valve timing the OHC 4-cylinder sequential MFI 138 horsepower, 102.9 kilowatts at 4900 RPM 148 pounds-ft of torque, 199.8 Nm, at 1850 RPMs, STD,